I'm here with Randy Nelson at Swisstrax Interlocking Flooring Tile. And Randy, tell us a little bit about your company.
Right, we're here for the third year now at the SEMA show. It's one of our best shows of the year. We're presenting now here a new product. I say if you got nothing new to show, don't go. That's kind of a philosophy. To give a little bit of background to the viewers, we've got a full range of different interlocking tiles. And saying interlocking tiles, they're snap-together tiles that have looped edges and pegged ends, so they're spring clips that lock together. The idea is basically said similar to a laminate floor. You're putting down a floor that is floating over the surface of wherever you're covering. A lot of it be garages, but we do racing pits, we do aircraft hangars, fire departments. So we have a wide range of products for different applications. Generally, all we say, it's a floating floor, a modular flooring system. So there's been a lot of development involved in getting the flooring out there.
Now, what are these made of and what are the benefits of having them?
The tiles have come through a long development in plastics. As we know, a lot of the vehicles, bumpers and so forth, the dashes are being made out of plastics. They used to be made out of steel. Obviously, because of weight, they're going more over into high-tech plastics. This product here is a copolymer, which is a plastic. It's a high-impact resistant, and then there's additives in there which will maintain its ability to resist UV light, also for a little bit more of impact in cold and heat. So as you can see, it's not like you've got a piece of plastic that's going to break. It goes down to minus 23 up to 280 degrees before you affect any of the characteristics.
And what are some benefits of having this instead of just a bare floor?
Well, over the last 10 years, garages have doubled in size. When garages double in size, people are starting to utilize more of the areas instead of packing them just full with boxes and so forth. So that's brought people a lot to looking at paints, coatings, and other alternative floor coverings. Plastic tiles have been out there for a number of years. Now you're looking at people saying, look, I've got an area in my garage, I got nice cars, I want to make my floor look nice. We've got our cabinets done in the home, and now this is kind of the last area people are looking to bring out. And that's what's brought development of the tiles now, and the market is just tremendously growing. If you look at the concrete surface, I call it an ugly concrete surface covering, because you can do anything. You can do it in patios. We do it out in paddock areas and racing. We're sponsors for Hendrick Motorsports, also a customer here across the way, XV Motorsports. We're working with large corporations, Ford Motor Company, BMW Mini. We do car dealerships with these as car dealership pads where cars come up on them. We do laundromats. We're doing all different types of applications where they need a simple, fast, modular, and portable flooring system. So look at the advantages of it. The basic idea is to give you a product that will snap together. A homeowner can put it in. It takes you about 4 hours for a 2-car garage, including the cutting. So you order product, it's delivered. You can take your design, go on the website, put in your dimensions, and then you see how many tiles you need for that floor, order them up, they come in, and then go over the installation instructions. So if you look at it, it's almost like Lego for adults, if I'm allowed to say that. But to show you how it locks together, you have here, basically the tiles come in. You've got a positive fix now between these two tiles. You're not worried really about tile separation on it, and that's a key point. It'll handle the weight of a vehicle. It'll handle the thrust of a truck. It'll handle virtually, we're doing testing with 50,000 pound rollover weight. And there's not another tile out there, hands down, that can do that in this type of modular flooring.
And how many different styles and colors do you offer?
We have 14 colors in almost all the styles. We have here the typical diamond plate. This is actually a drain vent tile that we use in combination with this, so people for areas where they have walkways or water, they can combine this. This is also coming from the sport flooring. We use this for inline hockey, basketball, tennis, and so forth. This comes in limited about 7 colors. Then we go into a new product which we're launching, and I think it's an all-purpose floor covering. It's called Swisstrax. This product now can be used in combination with either of these two tiles, and the idea behind this is when they're using it in showrooms and offices, they have a desk, they have chairs with casters on them, they can roll around on the smooth floor and still have the beautiful look in the showroom on the diamond plate. So it's a combined solution. We're looking at new designs to simulate different like stone and be it wood. We're actually working on a new design which will incorporate real wood on the surface of a tile and also vinyl for dance floors. This is my favorite. This is my garage filled up with this. I want to get the viewers thinking about it. The advantage of this, or let's say the disadvantage of this, the first reaction is, dirt is going to go inside of it. The idea behind it is that dirt will go inside it. You have virtually a maintenance-free floor, and then you can either shop back over it to clean it out. You can even pop out some tiles if you have something specific to get out of it, a spill or a small part. And if you have drains in the floor, you can virtually wash it down, and it has a 1/4-inch drainage below it. What a great way to be able to lay a floor, and it maintains itself. So not only do you get a beautiful look to it, you have virtually a maintenance-free surface, with the exception of once or twice a year come and shop back through it.
Well, these are some great products, and we want to know how to get them. How can everyone get these products? Where can they go?
We have a website. It's swissfloors.com. Easier yet is mygaragefloor.com. That'll kick you into our website. Take a look at the different products, and on there we have a floor designer. And again, I say put your dimensions of the area you're covering into that floor designer, and it'll kick you out how many tiles that you need. Email us, and we'll send you back either a quote or the local dealer. We do have distributors across the United States. We're working on more here. We have over 36 people from Maryland down to Florida, across Texas to California. So give us a shout, and we'll give you a quote. And the one thing I'd like to say is there's a number of products out there. Make sure that you go in and get samples. If you're going to spend $2,000 for a floor or more, it's not going to hurt you to spend $10 to get yourself a set of samples and compare the products. We've got the heaviest product in the market. We're 17.5 ounces. I'm not going to badmouth any competitor out there. It's not my intention, but get samples of it and you'll see it from us. We do have the best floor. It's Swiss engineered and it's made in the USA.
Well, thanks for showing us this great product. It seems like it's pretty easy to get, and it's a wonderful thing you have here. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks a lot for coming.
Thanks.